Here are 100 terms used in the T-24 banking system. Account, account. Transaction, transaction. Deposit, 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 deposit. Withdrawal, withdrawal, withdrawal. Balance, balance. Interest, interest. Statement, statement. Transfer, transfer. Authorization, authorization. Currency, currency, currency. Check, check. Overdraft, overdraft. Loan, loan. Collateral, 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 collateral. Debit card, debit card. Credit card, credit card. Swift code, swift code. IBAN, IBAN. Standing order, standing order, standing order. Direct debit, direct debit. Inactive account, inactive account. Active account, active account. SMS alert, SMS alert. Multi-currency account, multi-currency account. Fixed deposit, fixed deposit. Recurring deposit, recurring deposit. Statement of account, statement of account. Audit trail, audit trail. System administrator, system administrator. User profile, user profile. Core banking, core banking. Transaction code, transaction code. Transaction limit, transaction limit. Batch processing, batch processing. Real time, real time. Loan origination, loan origination. Loan servicing, loan servicing. Interest rate, interest rate. Customer relationship management, customer relationship management. Know your customer, know your customer. Anti-money laundering, anti-money laundering. Risk management, risk management. Mobile banking, mobile banking, mobile banking. Or mobile banking. Internet banking, internet banking. Branch banking, branch banking. Automated teller machine, automated teller machine. Customer identification number, customer identification number. Online banking, online banking. Data encryption, data encryption. Service level agreement, service level agreement. Customer support, customer support. Credit score, credit score. Asset management, asset management. Liability management, liability management. Financial statement, financial statement. Credit risks, credit risks. Debit risks, debit risks. Treasury management, treasury management. Cash management, cash management. SWOT analysis, SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Merchant services, merchant services. Forex trading, forex trading. Online payment, online payment, online payment, banking regulation, banking regulation, compliance, 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 fraud detection, fraud detection, credit scoring, credit scoring, mortgage, mortgage, electronic funds transfer, electronic funds transfer, financial inclusion, financial inclusion, financial inclusion, blockchain, blockchain, biometric authentication, biometric authentication, fintech or fintech, open banking, open banking, application programming interface, application programming interface, tokenization, tokenization, big data, big data, cloud computing, cloud computing, cybersecurity, cybersecurity, cryptocurrency, 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 asset liability management, asset liability management, digital wallet, digital wallet, prepaid card, prepaid card, e-commerce, e-commerce, smart contracts, smart contracts, robotics process automation, robotics process automation, machine learning, machine learning, user interface, user interface, user experience, user experience, payment gateway, payment gateway, remittance, remittance, KYC document, KYC document, central bank, central bank, regulatory compliance, regulatory compliance, regulatory compliance, regulatory compliance, regulatory compliance, regulatory compliance, loan approval, loan approval, customer satisfaction, customer satisfaction, interbank transfer, interbank transfer, mobile wallet, mobile wallet, automated clearing house, automated clearing house, net banking, net banking, RTGS, RTGS, income statement, income statement, data warehouse, data warehouse, cash flow, cash flow, capital paid in, capital paid in, key performance indicators, key performance indicators, certified deposit, certified deposit, partial payment, partial payment, bulk file, bulk file, minimum due, minimum due, internet and mail order, internet and mail order, current non-interest, current non-interest, clearing file, clearing file, certificate balance, certificate balance, certificate balance, point of sale, point of sale, point of cash, point of cash, locked amount, locked amount, customer inquiry, customer inquiry, customer signature, customer signature, dormant account, dormant account, dormant account, exchange rate, exchange rate, admin fee, admin fee, contract organization, contract organization, contract organization, contract organization, central bank commission, central bank commission, outstanding transaction, outstanding transaction, record of daily movement, record of daily movement, post no debit, post no debit, unpaid loan, unpaid loan, over limit, over limit, late payment, late payment, subscription fees, subscription fees.